friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host Ritika, and this channel, The Vegan Flower Child, is all about making vegan recipes, exploring vegan food in cafes and restaurants, and exploring a lot of vegan products in the market. And today is a recipe video, and we shall be making an amazing, refreshing and yummy mango salad. Let's get started.
So that's my salad bowl in which I'm going to make the salad. So the bottommost layer is going to be of our baby spinach leaves. I'm going to add that at the bottom of the bowl. I'm going to make a bed out of the baby spinach leaves. And I haven't chopped these leaves. You can chop them if you like. And on top of that, I'm going to add a layer of our rocket leaves. Now I'm going to top this with some chopped mango. So here I've chopped almost 3/4 of a medium-sized mango. And then I'm going to add a handful of pomegranate on top. On top of this, I'm going to add some silvered almonds. So I have blanched some almonds, removed the skin, sliced them and roasted them. And lastly, I'm going to add some pumpkin seeds on top. Now it's time to make our dressing. So for the dressing, I'm going to mix around 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, 2 heaping tablespoons of maple syrup, around 1/2 to 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. And now we can season this with some black pepper and Himalayan pink salt. You can mix this all up really well, and our dressing is done. We can finally pour our dressing over the salad. And this yummy and so easy to make salad is ready. This mango salad not just looks so beautiful, but it tastes absolutely delicious.
That's it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this yummy mango salad. Go ahead and try it out and enjoy the mango season. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.